Yeah. Yeah.
Weather is not going to be an option, correct?
I mean, all right, everybody, this is live Doppler 13 meteorologist Sean Ash here. We are joining you here on the 13 plus as we've got a burst of snow moving across central Indiana right on schedule here. And we're going to show you some of our NDOT cameras around the area. We're going to start up to the northwest. And if you haven't followed our forecast here for the last couple of days, we'll let you know that this was in play. So we get the burst of snow that's around I-65. That's near Walcott, where we actually had some rumbles of thunder earlier this evening. So a little thunder snow. Don't know if we'll get any more of that, but that's why from Rensselaer to near Lafayette, Colin, if you can pop up NDOT 2 for me, I would appreciate it. Or maybe that's NDOT 2 right there. Yeah, that's 65. That's near Lafayette. So that has changed dramatically in the last 5 minutes. I will tell you, and I know it's kind of hard to comprehend since we had a couple of days in the 60s this week. Snow rates will always win the war against road temperatures here. So heavy snow burst that's in play there. Again, that's in Tippecanoe County. So let me show you live Doppler 13 radar, what's going on and what's going to be happening as we move forward. And you'll see that burst of lightning that moved through between Remington and Monon and Rensselaer. We know, despite the fact with the radar showing it kind of switched over to more of a mix, this is all snow that's falling. So I want to show you the radar intensity product where it just kind of shows us where the heavier pockets are falling. That darker shade of green that's over Lafayette, that's moving through Covington, heading into Flora and Delphi. So those are the heavy rates, and we tried to address this as best we could to let you know that this was going to be moving in here this evening. Has not reached Indianapolis yet, but it's just about to get to Frankfort, over Crawfordsville. And so when you looked at that camera that was in Lafayette, that's what you can expect. I mean, within 5 or 10 minutes, the ground will get covered up quickly. And you could tell there from the interstates, it won't take much too. So not like we're going to have 2 inches of snow on the roads, but it won't take much to make them slick here quick if you're going to be traveling here this evening. Now, in terms of when it reaches Indianapolis, we were thinking between 10:30 and midnight, and that timeline still looks like it's on target as well. So by the time we get to our 11 o'clock newscast here on Channel 13, we expect this is going to be pretty much blanketing the metro area. So what to expect as we go through the overnight into early Sunday morning is that we are going to have some areas of slick travel here. So this is not a surprise at all. Here's our camera there in Carmel, where an hour from now is going to look more like a snow globe, and similar here as we look downtown Indy at this hour. So temperatures still holding at 33 in Lafayette. That number is going to get knocked down though pretty quickly. Dew point temperatures in the 20s. So once the snow starts to happen over your area, should knock the temperatures down. And really, we haven't even gotten to the colder air that's up to the north and west. So here's Future Track 13. This burst of snow comes in between now and 1 or 2 in the morning. It'll be out of the state by 2 or 3. But what happens after that, as the colder air comes in, is that we'll have a scattering of snow showers and snow bursts going into the morning. And as the temperatures get even colder tonight, again, it just ups the odds that we're going to have slick travel, slow travel. And so that's to be expected. What we expect and how this is all playing out, is that north of 70 has a better chance where some 1 to 2 inch accumulations will occur. And then once you get a little closer to 70 and points to the south and east, it's more of a coating to maybe an inch if you get into some of the heavier pockets. But really, it's not really how much accumulation. It's the fact that there will be some quickly changing road conditions, lowered visibility within these bursts of snowfall. So make sure you're checking road conditions before you head out. You should plan on some slow travel overnight and into Sunday morning. And as I talked about here, the coldest air is still yet to come. This is on the leading edge of it. So we're going to get this burst here, and then as you look upstream, you see there's more snow showers within that colder air. 33 right now in Indy. Temps are in the teens to our northwest, and by the time we get into Sunday morning, we're going to be in the lower 20s. In addition to all of this is that wind chills are going to be a story as well. Nothing extreme to our northwest right now, but those are also going to continue to steadily go down from west to east overnight, to the fact that we get into early tomorrow morning, 5 to 10 on the wind chill, which is going to make it feel some 60 degrees colder than the near record highs we had a short time ago here. So forecast, as I mentioned, kind of playing out as expected so far here. I'll give you another view of the road conditions across central Indiana. Again, this is I-65. That's in Lafayette. So 65 there. You can see how quickly it became snow covered. I'm not kidding you. About 9:45 when I called up that camera, there was not much snow on the pavement. And then within 10 minutes, roadways were getting a little bit covered up. So we got a long way to go here. Between now and say 9 or 10 tomorrow morning, we're going to continue to see this snow. This is the first burst that we're going to get, and then we'll have snow showers that will linger in. Even when you wake up tomorrow morning at times, it is going to look like a snow globe. So we wanted to hop on WTHR Plus here just to give you a little heads up. We will have an update coming up at 11 o'clock. But again, plan on some slow travel at times as we go through the overnight into tomorrow morning. Stay with us.